Nazi Ideology and the Final Solution by Kyle Turner, Jake Snider, and Katie Phelan. How it began. After World War I, Germany had to take responsibility for the war, causing a lot of shame and embarrassment to the nation. By using Nazi propaganda, they convinced people that it was the Jews' fault and it was their religion that attributed to many of the problems people were facing. Freikorps were a group of people whose original purpose was to terminate communist or other groups. They ended up being the original members of the Nazis. Political power. Government officials admired Adolf Hitler, the Nazi leader, for being passionate about their country and his dislike for communists. Hitler strived to have a totalitarian government consisting of one extreme dictator. As Germany was known as a country of extreme nationalism, it wasn't that difficult to convince people power comes by destruction of the weak. Nazis heavily believed in militarism and wanted to increase Germany's military power. Ranking and leadership. Hitler and the Nazis took the philosophy of social Darwinism literally, that only the strong would survive. He saw Jews and other people and groups as evil and inferior, and that his race was superior to anyone. Anti-Semitism. Anti-Semitism is the dislike or hatred of Jews, which the Nazis practiced, causing the Holocaust, which killed many Jews in concentration and extermination camps. Hitler especially admired anyone of the Aryan race or white Germans. Targeted. Hitler and the Nazis targeted Jews, communists, liberals, pacifists, Freemasons, Gypsies, Jehovah's Witnesses, homosexuals, and the handicapped.
In 1943, Auschwitz was about to enter the most crucial phase of its existence, one that would eventually make it the site of the largest mass murder in the world.
Zwischen Leichenkeller 1 und 2.
In March 1943, new gas chambers and crematoria opened, increasing dramatically the killing potential of the camp. Enormous wealth stolen from the arriving Jews flooded through Auschwitz. And contrary to the direct orders of the Nazi leadership, individual members of the SS took great personal advantage.
They were taking home lots of gold and other valuables. Nobody counted it. It was a bonanza for them.
This is the surprising and shocking story of life and death at Auschwitz, during what for the Nazis at the camp was the start of the boom years, of how corruption pervaded all aspects of the extermination process, and why for many of the SS, life was good.
The special situation at Auschwitz led to friendships of which I'm still saying today I like to look back on with joy.
Bibliography.